How to allow Facebook app access to camera. Allowing Facebook app access to your camera means that whenever you create a story or capture a video using your Facebook app, your camera will automatically load and won't restrict you from using your camera icon or camera button right there. So all you have to do in order for you to allow Facebook app access to your camera is to go to your settings right here and then scroll down until you find apps right here. You just have to click on apps again and scroll down until you find Facebook. All you have to do is to tap on that and click on permissions right here. Now, the next thing you're going to do is to scroll down until you see camera. All you have to do is to tap on camera right here and make sure that you allow only while using the app access to your camera, so that whenever you capture a video using your Facebook, you are allowed to use your camera permission. So that's how to allow Facebook app access to camera. Hope it helped.